till the day I die. Hey, swing those hips around. Can't
Welcome on my YouTube channel. So, dear friends, this video will be about the old Tesla tweeters from the 60s and 70s. As you could see in my previous videos, I have here on the table, I've recorded a lot of videos with speaker boxes where mounted these, I can say, legendary Tesla ARV 161 4 ohms tweeters. And I have here also some videos with boxes with these Tesla ARV 261, also 4 ohms, but 261 are older ones. This is the bigger one, Tesla ARV 261 from 60s. And this is Tesla ARV 161 from 70s. And as I always say, I love the tweeters with paper cones, and I have found that up to now I'm playing with my audio more than 35 years, and up to now I didn't compare on the table the sound of these two types of tweeters, and I thought that the Tesla ARV 161 is better for me. But now I tried the both speakers here with the same signal from an amplifier. These both speakers are connected to the left channel of an amplifier with 8 microfarad capacitor, and I have here this switch. So the volume of the sound will be the same, the channel of an amplifier is the same, the capacitor is the same, everything is the same. So let's try them, let's compare the sound, and let me know which sound do you prefer, the sound of which speaker, if the newer one Tesla ARV 161 or the older one from 60s Tesla ARV 261. So let's try it. Left channel. So So, dear friends, write me which sound do you prefer. And always when I make here some comparison, I always say that I will not say what I like more, but in this case I will say it, because the difference is so huge, and it's a huge surprise for me, because I always thought that the ARV 161 is better, but just now, I have found that I like the 261 more. So I'm really surprised. So thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing my YouTube channel, and if you like my videos, you can also join my channel, and have a nice day.
die.